What's up everybody, Chef Glenn B and I'm back in the kitchen, and today I'm working on shrimp and grits. Shrimp and grits find its origins in the Carolinas, such as myself. I'm a South Carolina boy. Here's my take on it. So as you can see, I've got a number of ingredients here that I'm working with. I've got my shrimp that I've already peeled and deveined. I'm holding on to the shrimp shells because the shrimp shells are gonna help us to build the sauce. All right, and starting with those shells, those shrimp shells, I've got some butter here that I'm gonna put in this pan. I'm gonna get those shrimp shells in this pan and get them toasted up. So I've got my shrimp shells here that I've reserved from the shrimp that I peeled. I'm gonna add those to that butter. So to these shrimp shells, I'm gonna add some smoked paprika. So to my shrimp shells, I'm gonna add some chicken stock. I'm gonna bring that to a simmer. I'm gonna allow it to simmer for just a couple of minutes. I'm gonna get it in a bowl and I'm gonna set it aside because I'm gonna use this, again, as I said, to build my sauce. So I've simmered my shrimp shells in the chicken stock. I've extracted some really nice flavor out of the shells. I'm gonna dump all of this in this bowl. And I'm just gonna set this aside until I'm ready to use it. Okay, so I've got my stock set aside. I'm ready to continue on. I'm gonna add my bacon to this pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull my bacon out and put it in this dish that I have here with paper towel in it. So I'm gonna get rid of a little bit of this excess oil. I'm gonna keep some of the oil in there. To this pan, I'm gonna go ahead and add my andouille sausage. So my andouille sausage is browned. I'm gonna take that out as well. All right, so to my shrimp, I'm gonna go ahead and add some Cajun seasoning. I've attached the recipe for this Cajun seasoning to the bottom of the recipe for this entire dish. I'm just gonna toss them and make sure they're nice and coated. To the same pan, I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp. So I don't want to cook these all the way through. I'm going to just cook them a couple of minutes. I'm going to partially cook them and then pull them out because we're going to add them back to the sauce and they'll continue to cook in the sauce. So before I move on to the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and get my grits in the water. I'm using quick grits today. I'm gonna add some salt to my grits, black pepper. So to my saute pan, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. To that, I'm gonna add my shallots. I'm gonna add my red bell pepper. I'm gonna also add some garlic. Saute that up. To this, I'm gonna add a little bit of crushed red pepper. All right, so to my sauteed mixture here, I'm gonna add some tomato paste. So I've got my shrimp shells in the stock that we simmered earlier. I've got a nice strainer here. I'm gonna strain the sauce into this pan. There's some fantastic shrimp flavor in that stock after we simmered those shells in that chicken stock. It takes it to a whole nother level. So this stock is gonna also deglaze this pan. All of these little bits in the bottom of this pan are gonna come up and they're gonna help to enhance this sauce. So I want this sauce to reduce by about 1/3. All right, so to my grits, I'm gonna go ahead and add some butter. So I've got some cheeses here that I'm gonna add to my grits. I got some cheddar cheese and I've got some Parmigiano Reggiano. All right, so my sauce has reduced. It's actually began to thicken up a little bit. I've got some heavy cream I'm gonna add to it. So I moved my grits back to the stove. I'm ready to add all of my protein back into my sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit more red bell pepper for some more vibrant color. I'm adding some fresh thyme. All right, so the shrimp and grits are done. I'm pairing it with the 2023 Amici Sauvignon Blanc. This is a Sonoma County Sauvignon Blanc. Really kind of clear, really clear. I mean, it's really close to water. There's not a lot of color. Let's see what we got on the nose. Oh, wow. Lots going on the nose. Very fruity, tropical fruit. I'm getting some pineapple. I'm getting grapefruit. It's like pink grapefruit. There's some guava. It's really tropical. Let's see what we're working with here. So the first thing I notice is the mouthfeel. It's definitely medium to full body. Interestingly, a Sauvignon Blanc, it's definitely above medium body. Not quite full body, but definitely got a nice tongue coating. Some good acidity. Good vibrant fruit, got a nice long finish. Really good Sauvignon Blanc. Let's see what this shrimp and grits is working with here. That is good. Shrimp. Very nice. Nice pairing. But I gotta double check. Perfect pairing. I'm Chef Glenn B, and as always, eat well.